Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nur Ilmia from Group A, Class B. In this video, my friends and I will discuss about analysis of available information. And before go to the material, I want to introduce members of my groups are Andi Alif S, Nur Fatur Rahmi, Siti Nur Alisa Rahim, and Siti Nur Halisa. And in this video, the content are the definition of analysis of available information, 10 types of information analysis, purpose of information analysis, and conclusion. Okay, and next, go to the material.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Siti Nur Alisa Rahim. So I'm here. I will going to talking about the definition of analysis of available information. Information analysis is the systematic process of discovering and interpreting information. Information is a representation of data at the cognitive level. In the other words, information is data designed to be interpreted by a person. As such, the term information analysis implies the application of a human talent, including fundamental abilities such as full comprehension of a natural language. Data analysis implies working with technology to model, import, interpret, cleanse, and process data. This may result in artifacts for human consumption, such as visualization of the correlation between two variables. The amount of information such a source is huge, and in many cases they are not documented or validated, which makes it difficult to use and analyze.
Part B. 10 types of information analysis. The first, search. Searching for information from a variety of sources. For example, a research and development program that begins by searching for information about new lightweight materials that may be incorporated into a baseball bat design. Second, source validation. Evaluating the reliability of information source. For example, a doctor who searched for recent studies related to a disease who discard several studies as being low quality. The third, information gathering. Obtaining information from people such as a requirements gathering process that asks stakeholders of a project for their requirements. The fourth, original research. The process of developing new knowledge in areas where things are unknown, such as an experiment designed to test the disinfectant quality of a relatively rare plant oil.
5. Aggregation. Bringing together information from different sources, for example, compiling a database that includes both air quality and health-related data for hundreds of major cities. This may be used to search for correlation between air quality and various diseases as a type of exploratory research. 6. Mapping. Developing a mapping that can be used to standardize disparate information sources. For example, air quality data that is reported in different ways by different regions that can be mapped to a standard format for a unified analysis. 7. Categorization. Developing a system of categorization for information, such as a method for categorizing customer complaints into one of 12 categories that can be used to visualize complaint data in a report. 8. Modeling. Developing a structure for information such as a multi-level categorization of customer into groups such as business and customer with subcategories under age. This can be used to develop reports such as a detailed breakdown of revenue growth by customer type. 9. Summary. Developing summarized from long-form information, for example, stating the main finding of a 100-page study in a sentence.
Okay, next, so number 10, interpretation. So apply rational thought to information to offer an opinion using technique such as inference, deduction, critical thinking, counterfactual thinking, convergent thinking, divergent thinking, system thinking, and design thinking. So the next material is about purpose of information and analysis. So the main function of information analysis centers, however, is to optimize the ratio of knowledge to information claim it generates, and the key activities involve the analysis, interpretation, synthesis, evaluation, and repackaging of information.
Okay, that was the material about analysis of available information that was conveyed by my friends. So, the conclusion is information analysis is the systematic process of discovering and interpreting information. The purpose of information analysis is human can optimize the ratio of knowledge to information generated. There are 10 types of information analysis such as search validation, information gathering, original research, aggregation, mapping, categorization, modeling, summary, and interpretation. Okay, I think that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.